Hi dear students, welcome back to A with Python series. We have already started learning Python programs and have done 3 programs in our previous session, and we have seen different ways of interacting with Python ideally. Interactive development learning environment. There are 2 modes supported by Python ideally, every Python ideally. There are interactive mode or shell mode and editor mode or script mode, right? Interactive mode or shell mode is the one that support only one statement at a time to be executed, right? Yes, it consists of what? 3 greater than symbols, and it's called prompt or command prompt. And the second is editor mode or what? Script mode, right? And it's mainly used to develop lengthy programs, big programs. And in today's session, we are going to learn something very important. One of the most important components in every programming language. It's about operators in Python. And we have already learned what operators are in our first chapter, right? Hope you remember it. And before heading to today's topic, let me give you something. Let me tell you something. And I hope all of you have already started doing Python programs, right? And we have done 3 programs in our previous class, and I think you might have done some other programs as well, right? You can try anything, okay? You can try anything. So let's move on to today's topic, operators in Python. And in today's topic, we'll be looking at operators. What are operators? Then 2 types of operators, arithmetic operators and relational or comparison operators in detail. And of course, we have already learned it. You know the type of operators, you know which are the operators used in both these categories. And in today's session, what we are going to do is we are going to practice it, okay? We are going to state it, right? We are going to add programs or write programs, okay? Yeah. So let's look at what is an operator. And before heading to operator, let's understand what expression is. You know, 2 plus 3 is an expression, right? In mathematics, we are writing 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, x plus y, a plus b, right? All these are expressions. So what operator and operands are components in an expression. So 2 plus 3 having operator and operands is an expression, okay? Then what is an operator? Here the operator is plus. What is that? Operator is a symbol. Operator is nothing but a symbol that specifies an operation to be performed, right? Here it is plus. What is the meaning of plus? Plus specifies addition operation to be performed. That's it. Then operand. Here which are the operands? 2 and 3 are the operands, right? 2 and 3 are the operands. Or we can say what? Operands are the data values upon which the operation is being performed. Operators are what? Operands are the data values upon which the operation is being performed. Here addition operation or addition is performed on 2 and 3, right? Then 2 and 3 are the data values. So we can say 2 and 3 are the operands. So hope you understood, right? Operator and operand plus expression. Operator and operands are the components or ingredients in an expression, right? Yes. So yeah, so this is all about the theory stuff. You know it already, right? Yes. Let's have some practice. You know what it is? 3 greater than symbols. We are going to practice it, okay? Yeah, 3 greater than symbols. What is that? Prompt. And in which mode we are working in? It is interactive mode, right? It is shell mode, interactive mode or shell mode. And we are writing 2 plus 3. In our previous session, what we have written is we have just displayed, right? Displayed 3 statements, and we have included the statements in double quotes, like hi Python, welcome to Python programming, right? Those were the statements given, and you know we have included in double quotes, right? And we have 2 different ways of printing it. One is you can directly give it in double quotes, or you can make use of the print function. Of course, print function, using the print function is a standard method of displaying. Yeah, so here it is 2 plus 3. What will be the result? 2 plus 3. It gives you 5. It gives you 5 because it adds or it performs addition operation on 2 and 3 and gives you 5. Hope you get it, right? And let's have some change, okay? In the what 2 plus 3 statement. It is, we have included 2 plus 3 in quotes. What happens? Of course, it prints 2 plus 3 in single quotes, right? So the meaning is simple. If you give anything, even an expression or mathematical statement or hi Python, any text in double quotes, it prints the same, right? But if you want to perform calculation and get the result of that calculation, you must not include it in double quotes. It must be straight, like 2 plus 3 without any quotes, okay? Without having any quotes. Hope you understood, right? 2 plus 3 without quotes print 5 because it performs addition on 2 and 3 and gives you 5 as the result. But when you include 2 plus 3 statement in double quotes or single quotes, it gives you 2 plus 3, the same stuff, the same statement, right? Yeah. Now let's look at arithmetic operators in detail. You know which are the arithmetic operators, right? Arithmetic operators are one of the finest and simplest of all the operators in any programming language, right? And we're using it for addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, modulus. Okay, there are lot more operations, but these are the main operations. So we'll be looking at these main operations only. Okay, yeah. So addition, subtraction, addition plus, subtraction minus, multiplication star, and the symbol name is asterisk. Okay, asterisk. Then division slash, modulus, percentage symbol. Okay, so these are some of the basic arithmetic operators. Now let's have practice. Okay, yeah. So you can see in all these statements, we cannot see command prompt or simply prompt, right? Why? Because we are not going to work with command prompt or interactive mode or shell mode. We are going to work with which mode? Editor mode or script mode. Okay, and how do you take it? Editor mode or script mode. Of course, you know, by default, after installing and working with Python, when you open Python software, or ideally the default mode will be interactive mode, right, or shell mode. And if you want to work with script mode or editor mode, you have to go to file, then take new. Okay, then you can have all your statements, then you have to save it, then you have to run it. Hope you understood, right? The default mode is shell mode or interactive mode. That's the one you're getting after opening your ideally. Okay, yeah. Then if you want to work with editor or script, we are going to work with editor or script mode in for both these operators, comparison and arithmetic operators. So if you want to work with editor or script script mode, you have to go to file. Okay, file menu, there is an option new, and type your program, save it, run the program, and finally you will get the result. Okay, we are doing that, right? Yes. So here we have an example, x equal to 5. You cannot see command prompt. Okay, that means we are working with script mode or editor mode. Okay, yeah. So x equal to 5, y equal to 3. What are x and y? X and y are variables. Okay, x and y are variables. What are variables? Variables are letters, or we can say yes, identifiers. Okay, variables are identifiers that stores value, right? Here x is an alphabet, right? Simply we can say what variable is an alphabet that holds some value, right? Here x is an alphabet that holds 5. So x is a variable. And what is the real meaning of variable? Can we change 5 to 6 or 7 or 3 or 2? Yes, of course. That is why the name variable, right? It is varying. Okay, we can change it, we can vary it. Yeah. So x equal to 5, y equal to 3. We have two variables, x and y. X is having the value 5 and y is having 3. What is this equal to sign? It's called assignment operator, right? Assignment operator. Why such a name? Because here what happens with x equal to 5 is the value 5 will be assigned to x. Hope you get it, right? In mathematics, you're using that, right? Yes. Suppose x equal to 2. What is happening then? The value 2 will be assigned to x. The same way, 5 will be assigned to x. 3 will be assigned to y. So it's called assignment operator. Assignment, right? So that's why such a name. Okay, assignment operator. Then print x plus y equal to x plus y. Can you see some change here? X plus y equal to x plus y? Yes, of course. What is that? The first x plus y equal to is included in quotes, right? Is included in quotes. X plus y equal to in quotes, comma. We have comma to separate these two x plus y. So comma, after that x plus y. We don't have any quotes, right? Single quotes or double quotes. So what happens is this first x plus y equal to will be printed as such, like x plus y equal to. And what happens with second x plus y? It performs addition on x and y. And what is the value of x? It is 5. And what is the value of y? It is 3. So how will it work? It will be like 5 plus 3. It is 8. Right? And how will it be a result? Any idea? Yeah. Of course you know it, right? X plus y equal to 8. Right? X plus y equal to 8. That will be the result. Hope you understood, right? If you enclose anything in quotes, single quotes or double quotes, it prints the same. But if you want to perform operations, you must not include it in any single or double quotes. Okay, so you'll get the result. That means result of the calculation. So here it will be x plus y equal to 8. And the same way, okay, there is no other change. We are changing the operations, that's it. Okay, yeah. So we are going to perform subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Okay, yeah. Then second is print x minus y equal to x minus y. So x minus y equal to is in double quote, so it prints the same text. Then x minus y, what is that? 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So the result of the second print is, you know what print is, right? Print is used to display something. So here what we are displaying is x minus y equal to, right? So x minus y equal to will be printed as such, and comma is to separate those two parameters. Okay, then x minus y, that is 5 minus 3, right? We know the value of x, it is 5, and y it is 3. So x minus y is 5 minus 3, it is 2, right? The same way print x into y equal to. So x into y equal to will be printed as such. Then x into y, comma x into y. The value of x is 5, y is 3. 5 into 3, 15. So x into 5, x into y equal to 15 will be printed. Okay. Then print x what divided by y equal to x divided by y. Print x mod y equal to x mod y. The operator is modulus. Okay, modulus operator. Yeah. Then okay. Actually, these are two interconnected operators. Okay, let's look at x divided by first. So here it is 5 divided by 3. So what will be the result? 5 divided by 3. Of course, here we get the integral value. Okay, we will not get something like 1.2 or 1.5. Okay, we will not get any floating point or decimal value. We will get only the integral part. That means 5 divided by 3. What is that? 1. Right? 1. And 5 mod, that is x by y, x mod y. What is that? 5 mod y, 5 mod 3, right? 5 mod 3. It gives you the remainder part. What is the result of 5 mod 3? It is 2, right? Hope you understood, right? Yes. So x divided by y gives you the quotient, and x mod y gives you the remainder. X divided by y gives you what? The quotient, the result, and x mod y gives you the modulus or remainder value. Okay, so here in this case x by y, that is 5 by 3, that is 1. Then x mod y, that is 5 mod 3, that is 2. Remainder is 2, right? Yes. So that's all about arithmetic operators, and you know we have already seen how does all these operators work, right? And now we have experience how can we work on these operators using Python program, right? We haven't made any big change here. We have included all these operators or expressions in print function, that is it, right? Yes. So initially x is a variable having the value 5, y is having 3. Then we are performing all the operations. Print x plus y equal to, it's in quotes, so it prints the same text. Then x plus y, second x plus y works on addition on x and y, 5 and 3, right? 5 plus 3, 5 minus 3, 5 into 3, 5 divided by 3, 5 mod 3, right? Yeah, the first half of print function prints the same text because it's in quotes. Hope you understood, right? Yes, it's that simple, right? Okay. Then next is comparison operators, or we can call it as the relational operators, right? Comparison operators are used to compare two values, like you know whether we check the value of a is equal to b or not, right? A is greater than b or not, a is less than b or not. Yes, that's what comparison is. So another terminology for comparison is relational. So compare two values, returns either true or false, right? When you compare a and b, right, 5 and 3, what will you get? Something like, you know, true or false, right? Whether it is true or false. Yes, we're going to see it. So we have an example, x equal to 10, y equal to 12. Here also we are working with editor mode or script mode. You have to go to file, take new. Okay, you can start writing all the programs, all the statements. Then you can save it, you can run it, you will get the result, right? Yes. So x equal to 10, y equal to 12. We have two variables, x and y. What is a variable? Variable is an identifier, right? Variable is an identifier that holds a value. Here we have two identifiers, x and y. X is having the value 10 and y is having 12, right? Yes. Then print x greater than y is, it's like what? X plus y equal to right? Yes, it's something like that. Okay, so if you enclose something in double quotes or single quotes, it prints the same text. That's the very logic of it, right? Yes, so x greater than y is, it prints the same x greater than y. Then you can see comma x greater than y. The second x greater than y will be what? Interpreted, right? Or will be executed. 10 greater than 12, what will be the result? Is 10 greater than 12? No, right? So the result will be false. What you're getting as a result is false. Not only false, what? X greater than y is false. The same way, x less than y is x less than y, 10 less than 12. Is it true? Yes. So second result will be x less than y is true, because 10 less than 12, it's true. Then x equal to y is x equal to y, 10 equal to 12, is it true? No. So it is false. You get false. Do you get it? Then now you can see equal to and single equal to. What is the difference? Single equal to is assignment operator. Like, you know, at the time of coding x equal to 10, giving the statement x equal to 10, what actually happens is the value 10 will be assigned to x, right? The value 10 will be assigned to x, the value 12 will be assigned to x. That's why the name assignment operator, assigning the value. It is right associative. That means the value at the right side is assigned to left side. Okay, but here we have two equal to signs. It is comparison operator. We are checking whether the value of x is equal to y or not. Okay, whether the value of x is equal to y or not. So here it is what? 10 equal to 12. It's not true, right? So it's false. Then x not equal to y. What? Print x not equal to y is x not equal to y. 10 not equal to 12. It's true, right? So it prints true. Then x greater than y is x greater than or equal to y, greater than or equal to y. Is it x greater than or equal to y? No, 10 is not greater than or equal to 12, right? So it's also false. Then finally print x less than or equal to y is x less than or equal to y. Of course x is less than y, so it's true, right? Yes. So this is what comparison operators are, and we have seen less than, greater than, equal to, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, right? All these are comparison or compare two values, used to compare two values, right? Yes. So that's all about comparison operators, and the specialty of this operator is it returns true or false, right? Yes. Next is assignment operator. We have already seen it. Assign value to variable. We have an example, x equal to 5. So what happens is it is right associative. That means the value at the right side of equal to will be assigned to left side. That is 5 will be assigned to x. X is assigned with 5. X is assigned with 5. So these are the different types of operators, and there is no much infamiliarity in all these, right? Yes. Okay. Then operators of course play a very important role in every programming language, because you know you have to perform mathematical operations, you have to compare two values. A very simple example, of course, you know, at the time of checking a password, you have to compare, right? The old password equal to new password, or the password you have already entered is equal to the password you have entered just now, right? Yes. So it's comparison, right? Yes. So these are some of the operators that are used commonly in all the applications or all the programs, right? So it's very important. Okay. Then you know how to work with. The default mode is of course what? Shell mode or interactive, and here we have worked with which mode? Editor mode or script mode. Okay. Before ending, let's have a quick revision. Operator. What is an operator? Operator is a symbol that specifies an operation to be performed. Here 2 plus is an expression, plus is the operator, 2 and 3 are the operands, the data values upon which the operation is being performed, right? Yes. Then 2 plus 3, here it gives you 5, and but enclosed in double quotes it prints you 2 plus 3, the same text, right? Yes. Arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Okay, the difference between so what division modulus is division quotient, the result, and what modulus, the remainder value. Okay, x equal to 5, y equal to 3. Then we are performing all this in print function. Okay, the first half prints the same text because it's in quotes, and second interpret. Okay, the operators, right? Yes, on operands. Then comparison operators, compare two values, gives you either true or false, right? Yes. Then we have seen some examples as well. Then finally what assignment operator. Okay, we have seen the application of assignment operators on all this, right? Yeah. Then you know, yeah, we have worked with which mode? Editor mode or script mode. Okay, yes. So hope you understood all these topics, because these are very simple, right? Yeah. Then you know, just okay, have an understanding of all this first, then you just okay practice it. Of course you have to practice it, okay, as much as possible. You know, you can start creating your own programs. Of course you can start creating your own programs, have some thought, work on it, okay. Yes, so only okay, with that approach or strategy you can be a skilled programmer, of course, right? Yes, so this is all for the time being. We'll be seeing more operators in the coming classes, okay. So thank you for watching. Have a nice time. Take care.